Hi, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. Today, we're going to be practicing postures that will help manage high blood pressure. These days, even youngsters are having high BP issues owing to their lifestyle and stress. Practicing these postures regularly, making lifestyle changes, and of course, following your doctor's advice will help you manage your blood pressure. Let's get started. We're going to begin this practice at the top of the mat, and you're going to keep your feet a little wider than hip width apart, which is a comfortable stance. Make sure your spine is neutral here. As you inhale, lifting your arms up from the side, expand the chest, interlock the fingers, and give yourself a big, nice stretch. And as you exhale, bring your arms down. The important point through this whole practice is to coordinate every movement with your breath. As you start to coordinate the movement with the breath, you will notice your breath starts to slow down, and that will help you to manage your blood pressure as well. Let's try again. Inhale, coordinating the inhalation with your arms, interlock the fingers and lengthen up. As you exhale, bring your arms down. Inhale, arms up. Lengthen up. This time, as you exhale, you're going to hold on to the opposite elbows. Take another inhale here, lengthen through the sides of your body. And as you exhale, soften your knees and start bending forward. Very simple postures. Keep your knees soft. Be very comfortable here so you can really focus on lengthening your breath. You can slightly move side to side, allowing for some space in the back of your legs, through your lower back, and keep breathing. Slowly coming back to the center, you're going to place your fingertips down. Keeping the knees bent, inhale, lift the chest up, mild back bend. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale and lift the chest up. Exhale and fold forward. One more. Inhale and lift the chest up, knees remain soft. Exhale and fold forward. Allow your head to hang loose, no tension around the neck. From here, you're going to step your right foot back, left foot back, and come into a tabletop position. Coming into tabletop position, your knees are hip width apart, palms shoulder width apart. Spread your fingers nicely. As you inhale, lift the chest up, arch back. Exhale, draw the belly in and round your back. Take your time with this. Inhale, lift the chest up, arch back. Exhale, draw the belly in, round your back. If you're comfortable, you can close your eyes and let's do this 2 more times. Inhale, lift the chest up, arch back. Exhale, draw the belly in, round your back. Last one. Inhale, lift the chest up, arch back. Exhale, draw the belly in, round your back. This time, you're going to inhale, lift your chest up, arch back. As you exhale, move your hips back onto your heels and go into a comfortable Balasana. Inhale, press into the palms, come forward again, retain the distance between your knees and palms, you don't have to adjust, slightly arch back, exhale into Balasana. Last one, inhale, coming up, arch back, long exhalation, exhale back into Balasana. See if you can open out your knees this time as wide as your mat. Get your big toes touching, settle your hips into your heels, really lengthen forward and get your forehead down. stay here and breathe. Focus on long exhalations here. Allow your arms, your hips, lower back to completely melt into the floor. As you inhale, walk your palms back, come up into Vajrasana, your knees together. You can also use a cushion under your feet if you have trouble with your ankles. Close your eyes, keep the spine tall. Take a few seconds to connect with your breath here and see if you can do an equal inhalation and exhalation. For example, inhale for 3 seconds, exhale for 3 seconds. Let's take one more deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Slowly open your eyes. Sit to one side and stretch both your legs forward into Dandasana. Here again, if you feel like your lower back is rounding, you want to use a cushion to elevate the lower back so you're able to keep the spine tall. From here, you're going to bend your right knee. The right heel goes in towards the groin, preparing for Janu Shirshasana. Inhale, let's lift the arms up, lengthen up. As you exhale, reach forward and you can hold on to the foot wherever it is comfortable for you. We are not focusing on getting the head towards the knee. Not going to be stuck here. Instead, lengthen the spine, stay wherever you're comfortable, gaze at your toes, and just focus on the breath. If you're comfortable, next exhalation, start to deepen the posture. Try and get your belly closer to your thigh and your chin closer to the shin. Inhale, lengthen and come up. Exhale and slowly bring your arms down. Let's switch sides. Right leg forward, left heel towards the groin. Inhale. Exhale and Janu Shirshasana to the left side. Once again, go step by step. Use your breath as a tool to deepen the posture. Don't force the body. Inhale. As you exhale, see if you can get the belly a little closer to the thigh. Inhale and come up. Exhale and bring your arms down. Now we are going to bring both feet towards the groins. You're in Baddha Konasana. Distance between your heels and your groin is about 1 fist. You can either hold on to your big toes or your ankles. Close your eyes and let's just start opening up the hips here. 1, 2. The more comfortable you get, start to make the flaps faster and bigger. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Relax. Here we are going to intentionally round the back and try to get the forehead down to the knee. So very relaxed posture. Take an inhale. Exhale. Use the support of your hands holding your toes. Relax the spine completely. Your elbows are very gently pressing your thighs down. And see if your elbow can reach the toes or wherever you're comfortable. Stay there and breathe. 1. Long exhalations. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and roll your spine up. Exhale here. Next inhalation, bring your knees together, stretch both your legs forward for Paschimottanasana. Inhale and lift your arms up. And as you exhale, lengthen forward. Again, hold wherever it is comfortable for you. Either your big toes, top of the feet, sides of the feet. You can even soften your knees and stay here. Intention is to lengthen the spine and relax your neck. Close your eyes here. This is a great posture for you to also do a few breaths of candle breathing. So you're going to inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale. Exhale and maybe slide your heels forward. Continue, one more breath. Inhale, lengthen your arms forward and come up. Exhale, slowly bring your arms down. You can slide forward on your mat and slowly lie down on your back. Bringing the soles of the feet together again in Supta Baddha Konasana. Your back will arch here slightly. You can also use a cushion to lie down, blocks under your knees if the hip opening is too much. Use the props that you need to make yourself comfortable here. And breathe deep into your chest and belly. With every exhalation, you visualize all of your tension, stress, everything that's bothering you leaving the body. Inhale and exhale, and observe that you feel a little lighter now. Slowly bring the knees back together. And as you exhale, bring both knees into your chest and hug the knees. Gently rock side to side. You can also rock forward and back if that makes you feel more comfortable. You're just giving your back a nice massage. And when you're ready, you can slowly bring your feet down, stretch both the legs forward and relax in Shavasana. Before you completely move into relaxation, take a minute and move your awareness throughout the body. Start from the toes and work your way all the way up to the top of the head, mentioning every body part that you're taking your awareness to mentally. Speak to your body, speak to your mind. Consciously allow yourself to completely relax. So this was a short sequence that you can practice that will help you to really relax and get in tune with your body and your breath. Complementing this asana practice with pranayama techniques like Samavritti Pranayama, Nadi Shodhana and Bhramari will also immensely help you to manage your high blood pressure. I really hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.